Welcome back. In this session, we are going to test this scenario without a material master. So these are the scenarios. See, no need to create any material master for consumables since we are not going to maintain this on value and quantity. So you can create it directly without material. So we are going to simulate this first scenario. If you want to create a purchase order without material, then how to do that? These are the steps. Create a purchase requisition. Go to ME51N. Testing. Without material. Now here what we have to do here enter any text, stationery for office, quantity. If you have any quantity like number of books, pens, you can mention here. Plant is already there. Storage location. So we are going to enter whatever the required information here. So giving category, account assignment category is mandatory. Since we are consuming this for cost centers, you should select here category. Okay, I am procuring this for cost center. So as soon as you receive the goods, you will charge this to the cost center. Cost center means that will be treated as an expenses for that cost center. Now check here. Purchase requisition still contains items with error. Here enter a cost center. Okay. So system is asking enter your GL account. Enter your GL account here. By default it is picking this. Now I am going to use this one. Business area, cost center. Here cost center, we created cost centers, 3 cost centers. Take any for testing. Take head office. Create cost account for 7-1. So system is saying you have the GL account but you didn't create any cost element for this one. This is part of master data in CO. Go to FS00. Enter your GL number here. Click on this one. Edit cost element. Press enter. Select here one. Important thing here. Select primary. Here change the description in controlling. Stationery expenses. Copy this text. Here select press F4. Select primary. Save this. Close this session. Go to purchase requisition. Simulate this again. Maybe we need to refresh. ME51N. Testing without material master. Description, stationery, quantity 10. Here select I am procuring this for cost center. Select cost center and press enter. Here cost center, enter this one. To change this, GL account cannot be used. Click on this one. we are getting this issue. GL account 405-200 and the account assignment category. Okay, there is an incompatible combination of field selections for the field selection group market funds. Note down this one. I will show you how to resolve. First step, go to FS00 and note down field status variant and group. Note down field variant used for GL, group used for GL. So now how to do that? Close this. Go to FS00, enter this GL, enter your company code, click on display, go to this tab, create bank interest. This is the group used, G003. G003. Variant, double click on this one. See field status variant, this one. Copy this, 0001. This is my variant. Next step, go to OBC3 or OBC4, we will check that. /n OBC3. Now OBC4, select this field status variant. So my variant is 0001. Under this we have a group G003. Click on this one, select this, make it optional entry, this field, save this, close this. Now go back again. Now simulate. Maybe we need to refresh again. ME21N, 51N. K is the category, quantity 10. Here, this one, press enter. We are getting this for special region, another field. Now again go to OBC4. You may get issues like this during your practice. Click on this one, G003, look for the field, special region, page down, this is a special region, make this entry optional, save this, again simulate this, close, maybe we need to refresh this again, ME51, and this is only one time configuration. Once you do this configuration, then we are not going to get any issues for further testing. Quantity 10. Change this here. What is the issue now? It got resolved. Right now we are not getting this. we are getting enter units of measure. Each material group. Since a material group created at client level, take anyone. We are not going to create any new one here. Select this miscellaneous. Here valuation price. System is asking valuation price here. What is the price? So price for this is 10. Delivery date next working day. Okay, no issue. I will change this to 9. Check this. We have successfully resolved all the issues. Now time to save this. Now save this. We have successfully created PR for first scenario. This is case 1. This is PR, PO, MIGO, MIRO. Now note down this number. Now next step is to create a purchase order. ME21N. Click on this one. Click here. See, here we have purchase requisition. Here we have my purchase requisition. My purchase requisition means whatever the requisitions created by my user ID. If you want to look for purchase requisitions created by other, then select this one, purchase requisition. Right now select this. So what is our purchase requisition number? 364. Copy. So enter a vendor here. Press F4. We'll copy vendor information as well to save time. These are the vendors. These are the vendors. Copy here. Take this vendor. If you want to select from here as well, you can select. Like press F4. Press enter. Select this. Now check for consistency issue. No message. We don't have any issue here. Save this. Note down this number. Now again click here. See, we need to approve this one because of previous configuration. System is triggering this release strategy. Next step is to approve this. Go to ME29N. Now change this. Approve this PO. Save this. Next step, goods receipt. Change this to goods receipt. Here purchase order. Press enter. Rest of the process is same. Select item is OK. Check this. Post it. Check this posted document. Select display. Press enter. See, controlling document also generated. This is the configuration done by us for controlling document. Click on accounting document. What is the entry here? Here we are directly charging this to expenditure in FI side. This is FIGM, stationery. Coming to here, you are going to find a cost center here. This is charged to this cost center as an expenditure. Now, hope you understand. Go to MIRO for invoice verification. Paste here 07/11/2020. Enter value here 100. You can take this from here. Select V0. Ensure line item also V0. Press enter. Simulate. Post this. See document posted. Display document. Follow on documents. This is the document posted here. Hope you understand. Now go to MMBE. Since it is a PO without material number, we don't have anything to check here. Hope you understand. You can give any description in PO. ME23N. See here I gave this description, stationery for office. You can maintain this description based on your requirement. This is a simple process. Coming to consumables. One additional steps, you need to select this account assignment category. If you are creating a purchase order for procuring assets, then you need to select here A. This is A. In next session, we will see with material NLAC.